when you're on holiday visiting your family in Australia and your wife comes up with a great idea to make a video to cook breakfast for the whole family, well, let's just see what happens. Also, there's a lot of people here at the moment, so if you hear some yelling in the background, don't worry about it. It's okay. Okay, to start off, we're going to grate some potatoes. Once you got them all grated, we're going to put them in a big bowl of water. Then we have to wash as much starch off as we can. Alright, once you got them all washed off, you want to drain them, and then you got to dry them really well. Go ahead, put them in a tea towel, squeeze all the water out. Alright, once you got your dry potato in there, go ahead, heavily salt it. Put a good amount anyway, and a couple of beaten eggs, and some flour. Then incorporate. Just form them into circles. It's much easier. And go ahead and stick them in the freezer while you get the rest of this stuff ready. So when you're traveling and you're at your parents' house, you're going to work with what you got. First time I'm going to try cook bacon in the oven. Pans are a bit small, I know this, but we'll make it work. Now something you don't get in Austria is the barbecue sausage pack. Australian sausages. I don't know what it is, but I miss them when I'm overseas. Alright, no good breakfast cook-ups complete without some Heinz beans. In full Australian style, I got sidetracked and burnt the sausages, but it's going to be alright. Alright, go ahead and shallow fry your hash browns till golden and crispy. When they're nice and golden brown, remove them to a paper towel-lined tray. And like always, just hit them with a little bit of salt as soon as they come out. When you make your toast, you got to put some butter on it. Well, not exactly butter. Use a bit of regular spread. I don't know what's in it, but that's what I grew up on. And just go ahead and start cracking a bunch of eggs into the pan. Alright, once you got them all in, go ahead and hit them all with a little bit of salt, and just keep it on a low heat. If you don't have a lid, use another plate. Just cover it up, let it cook. Oh, when your eggs are cooked, you're ready to serve. So where I grew up, this region, Pemmican region, is quite renowned for its avocados. And we got a friend, and he come around and dropped us off a big box of avocados the other day. So I thought I'd just slice one up and serve it on the side. These avocados don't need to be put on no toast. That'll just ruin it. Straight out the skin's the best way to eat them. Pretty damn good. Now, I thought I'd go full traditional with this and pretty much burn every element, because that's how we do it here in Australia. And then you just put a bit of tomato sauce on it. Covers up that harsh char flavour you get usually. Sausages, absolutely amazing. With beans, you can't go wrong with the beans. Now the bacon, my sister bought me some of this healthy bacon. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this too much, but cover it in some beans, should be alright. Pretty much what you expect. Still doesn't taste that bad though. So even though this sandwich toast bread doesn't really compare to Austrian bread, because Austrian bread is on a completely different level, this does bring a bit of nostalgia back. So it is pretty damn good. Now we'll go on with the hash brown. Fried potato. Pretty damn good. Can't forget the tomato sauce though. So if all else fails, just get yourself a piece of toast, healthy schmear of Vegemite, and you're good to go.